Because this is going to start watching. Yes, sir. So they've already started working with that. That's it. They actually started from the topmost floor in between civil repair works. So it's almost complete. They started from coming down. So they finished the third floor, so the first floor, and that's they are working presently on the ground floor.
No. Please, second.
What we're doing this afternoon is to inspect the Zonal Hospital that is under construction and expansion here. If you could remember, I did promise our people that one of the most important areas that our budget for the year 2025, the year 2025 will focus on is healthcare, education, and agriculture. As part of what we did promise our people in the year 2024, that all the zonal hospitals, that will do our best to ensure that they come up and is being put to use. We're here to check the extent of work that is ongoing. When we met them, maybe for your information, the states were really bad. There was no accommodation. There was no accommodation for the medical officers, the doctors, the nurses. And we also added, not just provided accommodation, a mortuary to have a full package of what a hospital should be. So we're here to check what they're doing, because if you could remember, about a month ago, we did release money for the rehabilitation and expansion of 4 zonal hospitals and about one general hospital. So we're here to check, and let me say that I'm really impressed with what I've seen. The contractors are really committed. They understand the dream and aspiration of this administration, that we are people, when we make promises, we keep to our promises. I know that a lot of you will be wondering what is going on and all those things, but government has its own challenges. If you go to the book of Psalms 23, Psalm 23 verse 5, he said that God prepared a table before you. It can be anybody, it can be me. But there is an underword that he noted there. In the presence of your enemy. So it means that nothing comes easy. I want to assure you, every one of you, and the good people of River State, that we are not deterred. We have made our promises. We will continue to give you good governance, no matter what it is. But like I said before, the worst is over. We are moving on to ensure that we continue to provide what is needed for the development of our state. We're here today. I believe by next week we should be visiting Degema. We should go to Ahoda. We should go to Obebema and Omok, and also ensure that we visit that of the main one. You know, we promised that we're going to do a modern general hospital and psychiatric hospital in Rumibo. We'll make sure that we'll visit them and see the extent of work going on. But for now, we are satisfied with what we're seeing. We're assuring the good people of this zone. When we say zonal hospital, it's not just for the Khana, it's not for the Gokana. Even my own constituency, Opopo Nkoro, will also benefit from this facility. So we'll make sure that we put it to completion and good use. Thank you. May God bless you.
We made a comment about the need for them to report so that they will register before they finish, that everything is not expenditure. The CMD is the office.
That's much. Want to get there? Okay.
So this side, all this side.
This side is still, it's just there. It's just that they will probably use it for, they will do landscaping so that it can also be used for the
I think I need it.